Crosby, sit down. Come on. Sit. Good morning. Oh, did you sleep well? What was that? Was that yes? Say yes. Okay, you want to go outside? Or are you hungry? You're hungry? You want breakfast? One track mind, huh? Come here. Oh, you're a goofball. Oh, you see Mama's baby. Arf. Speak. Ruff. Arf. Yeah? Breakfast time? Breakfast? Okay, breakfast time. Oh, cut it out. Cut it out. Go, you lucky little bastard. Say bye. Okay.